Create safer and smarter homes with YoLink. Introducing the YoLink door sensor from YoSmart. This sensor monitors the open or closed status of doors and windows in your home, providing real-time data and notification when a change is detected, delivering you peace of mind by enabling accurate insight into the safety and security of the home or individual rooms. The sensor can be installed indoor or outdoor and uses LoRa devices from Semtech to offer long-range connectivity and long battery lifetimes not found in Wi-Fi-based solutions. Installing the sensor is quick and easy. As with all YoLink devices, a YoLink hub is required to connect the sensor. Once your hub is up and running, you're ready to connect your door sensor. To set up the sensor, download the YoLink app to your tablet, smartphone, or other connected device and log in or create a new account. Within the app, tap Add Device and scan the QR code found on your sensor. Press the Set button on your sensor once to connect it. It will blink red once and then flash green to indicate it has joined the network. To install the sensor, clean the desired area. Remove the protective layer from the double-sided tape on the back of the sensor and position on your door or window. Hold in place for at least 5 seconds. Align the second part of the sensor and hold in place. Your door sensor is now set up and transmitting. Use the YoLink app to view and customize your new sensor. Rename the sensor, view time-stamped history, edit alert and notification settings, and more. To integrate with voice assistants such as Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant, simply go to My Profile in the YoLink app and access the voice assistant integration guide in Settings. Create safer and smarter homes with YoLink. Shop the full line of YoLink products on Amazon.com.